Slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold that, little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't need a rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Caro, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. Man, hustling. Can't tell me nothing. I'm it's ugly cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still gon' fuck me in the club. That's my cousin. And you show me love. That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
Angelina's, you got it, let me see it. Angelina's, you got it, let me see it. All my Angelina's, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelina's, if you got it, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a flat suit. No can do, no, I don't work for free. I used to smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple J, and that shit did not work for me. And now I just set herbal tea. I'm present at the sweat meet in a robe, eating church's wings. So cold, no emergencies. See me in the club.
That's my cousin.
And you show me love.
That's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
That's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad.